Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of the Nile Mother Tongues Project. On this episode, we'll be covering vocabularies and phrases through thoŋ gospel hymns. Thoŋ language does not have a lot of written reference material. Most of the translations are either the Bible or hymns that have been written in the language. And on today's episode, I'll be covering and translating a very short gospel hymn that I will play, and then I will look at some of the vocabulary and words that are in it so that you can learn the meaning of the words. Thoŋ achin bojui chika gor yika kwen katobes ay Bible kujala diar chika ket kudin bagir ekole edin chek edin kanisa kudin chekaret dit ay chol Yeeŋö tiatka ku Yecu achi dhiëëth. Yeeŋö tiatka ku Yecu achi dhiëëth. Ran keten au ran chaken eran ichol Gabriɛl Kudiɔ Thuc Majök. Kuna koren ka alebayo baket ku Yakoba edit bot keber kuterngwan. So I'll first play the song, and then I'll look at the vocabulary and the phrases that are in it, and then we'll do like a full translation. So here, have a listen. And now, these are the new vocabulary that you can learn from that song. I'll repeat them twice, and please try to repeat them as well so that you can learn them really well. Yecu, Yecu, Jesus. Ping, ping, to hear or to listen. Madhika, madhika, music and dance. Rem, rem, people. Panyal, panyal, heaven. Metku, metku, to join. Door, door, worship. Ke, them. Dhiëëth, dhiëëth, to be born. Yeeŋö, yeeŋö, what? Dhiëëth, dhiëëth, to wait. Rodit, rodit, old or wise man. So again, Yecu, Jesus. Ping, to hear or listen. Madhika, music and dance. Rem, people. Panyal, heaven. Metku, to join. Door, worship. Ke, them. Dhiëëth, to be born. Yeeŋö, what? Dhiëëth, to wait. Rodit, old or wise man. So the translation of the song itself is this. The first line of the song says, Yeeŋö tiatka. Yeeŋö tiatka simply means, what are you still waiting for? Yeeŋö tiatka, what are you still waiting for? Ku Yecu achi dhiëëth. Ku Yecu achi dhiëëth, and Jesus has been born. Ku Yecu achi dhiëëth, and Jesus has been born. Yeeŋö tiatka, ku Yecu achi dhiëëth. What are you still waiting for? And Jesus has been born. Ken ke ping, Ken Kiping, have you not heard? Ken Kiping, have you not heard? Kema Dhika Ruat. Kema Dhika Ruat, the dance and music. Kema Dhika Ruat, the dance and music. Ken Kiping, Kema Dhika Ruat. Have you not heard the dance and music? Rem de Panyal. Rem de Panyal, creatures or people of heaven. Rem de Panyal, creatures or people of heaven. Kurudit Adur. Kurudit Adur, and wise men are praising. Kurudit Adur, and wise men are praising. Rem de Panyal Kurudit Adur, creatures or people of heaven and wise men are praising. Met Kurut, let us join. Met Kurut, let us join. Met simply means like joining or meeting. Met Kurut becomes let us join. Buk dur wanike. Buk dur wanike, to worship with them. Buk dur wanike, to worship with them. Met Kurut, Buk dur wanike, let us join to worship them. Yeeŋö tiatka ku Yecu ache dhiëëth. What are you still waiting for? And Jesus has been born. Ken Kiping Kema Dhika Ruat. Have you not heard the dance and music? Rem de Panyal Kurudit Adur, creatures or people of heaven and wise men are praising. Met Kurut Buk dur wanike, let us join to worship with them. So that's the translation. I'll urge you to go back and re-listen and re-practice, and you'll be able to understand all the vocabularies and the meaning of the song. So I'll play the song again, and I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy. Bye-bye.